Hi, this is Nick George with Cause Diamond Sharpening, just to show you Oster fast feed demonstration. Let's go down to the table. Okay, so he says this one bogs down when it goes in the hair. Seems pretty powerful. Seems like the tension might be loose. So I'm going to go ahead and sharpen it and service this. Doesn't cut the string at all. Alright, let me sharpen this and then I'll be back. Alright, I got the blades nice, freshly sharpened, resurfaced. First thing I'm going to do is tighten the tension because I already know it's too loose. Gonna make sure that spring's just right. You don't want to bend it too much up here because then it will push too far back on the cutter blade and it won't cut very good. Setting the correct distance of the guide. Time to take it apart, see what's going on inside, make sure the springs are good. So it has correct amount of power. If these springs go bad, you lose power in your clipper. This guy says it bogs down when it goes in the hair, so we'll see if anything's bent or broken inside. Unplug it. The springs are not broken, so that's good. I can tell because there's no broken piece. And usually they'll be broken in half, and you'll have weak travel on the blade and it can bog down in hair. Just had to make sure. A little oil around the bushing. Make sure the field isn't hitting this armature because that could be a problem also. Sometimes these magnets fall off and they start hitting the field. I mean, not the magnets fall off the armature and hit the field. So you just gotta make sure that's in the correct position. there's a fast feed repair. Have a good day. Keep it sharp. Keep it cold. Keep it looking good. Go ahead and send more than 5 items to make your shipping work. Hi, this is Nick George with Cause Diamond Sharpening, just to show you Oster fast feed demonstration. Let's go down to the table. Okay, so he says this one bogs down when it goes in the hair. Seems pretty powerful. Seems like the tension might be loose. So I'm gonna go ahead and sharpen it and service this. Doesn't cut the string at all.